I've always respected the lengths that ethical, caring farmers go to bring us the best quality ingredients. And in the great state of WA, we have year-round produce available to us. And when the weather gets warmer, there's nothing better than a vibrant salad. I've got shaved vegetables here from our trip earlier around the valley, and I've just shaved them so we can keep them raw, which is obviously healthier for us and crunchier to eat. We're going to add these candied beetroots. They're lovely and pink and yellow, so it's quite unusual. And we're going to put a little bit through the salad. They won't lose their colour, which is fantastic. From there, we're going to make a dressing. You can make a normal vinaigrette if you like, but I'd like a slightly thicker vinaigrette for this one. So we're going to start with a tablespoon of garlic, nice and bitey. A tablespoon of Dijon, even bitier. One of these pastured free-range eggs that we picked up, yum. So there should be a really nice colour in this dressing. Mixed around just loosely like this. And then the real elbow grease is going to come in when we add the oil. So from here, you want to continually whisk and slowly add the olive oil. I've used extra virgin olive oil here, so this is getting a lovely emulsification happening. And once you've made this salad dressing, it can really keep in the fridge for up to a week. When you're emulsifying, it's important to constantly beat the oil into your mix so that you get a nice, thick, glossy flavour over your crisp spring vegetables. We're going to add our friend lemon juice, just to loosen it up a little bit. And then we're going to add this to the shaved vegetables and start to plate up. Don't go too heavy-handed on the dressing. We don't want to ruin all the hard work we've put into shaving them. When you plate, start in the middle and try and keep as much height as you can. And to finish this lovely salad off, we're just going to use a little bit of Labneh. To make Labneh, we're simply popping yogurt into a cheesecloth and letting it hang for a couple of hours. The idea is to just get rid of all that pesky water and intensify the flavour of the yogurt. It makes a great alternative to mascarpone or cream cheese. Now, if you like nuts, you can also add macadamia or roasted hazelnuts just to give it even more crunch. The great thing about fennel is it's got beautiful garnish tips on the top of it. So we're just going to add that to this spring salad for a little extra green. The other reason I like to work with ripe and ready produce is that Mother Nature's already done the hard work for me. So now it's time to reap the rewards.